Hi, and welcome back to the Lash and Brow Directory Booking System tutorial. Today's tutorial is on setting up default email templates, default SMS templates, and also the message that will be seen on the screen after a client makes a booking. Now, just to explain, we do have a default email and SMS template set up in the system, which you can find a copy of these in your user manual, but you can also set up your own default. So there's also this section, and there's also setting up email templates. So just to explain the difference, a default will go out to every single person that books an appointment. For the email templates, you can actually assign a template to a certain service. So if you have different terms and conditions or different information that you want to share in an email regarding a specific service, then you would need to enter that into the email templates. And there is a tutorial further on in this section regarding that, and also in the user manual. So first, what you need to do is select booking settings from your dashboard. And here we have general email notifications and SMS notifications. So first I'll go to email notifications. We have 5 different emails, and if you look in your user manual, you'll also see the 5 different email names. So basically you get an email after you book a service appointment. You get an email the day before your appointment. There's also an email that goes to you, the service provider, when the booking is made. There's also a reminder sent to you where you can actually put an agenda for your whole day. And there's also an invoice email. So what you need to do is just go to the email and just basically start typing what you want to send out to your clients. So just any information that you want to go out, but remembering this will go out to every service that you have if you use the default. And if you don't change the defaults that we have set up for the system will go out to every client. So basically, if you up here, we have what we call the template variables, and what these do is they actually bring the information from the booking into your email. So if you were to select customer email name, then the customer name that they used on the booking will be put into the email. Same thing like booking date, booking time, service name. These are probably ones that you do want to include in the email, just so you're reiterating back to the client the booking information that they've sent. You can add the price. So this is for the email that would be sent straight after the booking. So this would be the booking confirmation email. The next email is the reminder notification. So this is the email that will go out to the customer the day before the appointment to confirm. There is a cancellation link on here as well. That's up to you whether you want to use that. If you do use it and it has been paid for online, then you will need to arrange a way to be able to pay back the client for the service, but that would depend on your cancellation policy. So would be also a good idea to be able to add your cancellation policy into your emails, but also, once again, this might be done on a service by service basis. And you can also add links to sites. So if you do have a cancellation policy online, you can actually add a link so that people can go and read that. Next, we have the email that will let you know that an appointment has been booked by someone on the booking system. So once again, put in the customer's name, the booking details. You probably want to put the price in there as well. Next is the reminder. So you can set this up so that you get all of your appointments sent to you for the next day by using agenda for tomorrow. So if you select that into your email, you will get a nice little table of all the appointments that you have the next day. If you actually if you get a copy of the template that we've set up, or if you look in the manual, you're about to see the template that we've set up, and you'll see the agenda in there. And then the last one is the invoice email. So if you want to add your company name onto this and your ABN number if you have one, or any tax sort of details, enter that onto this invoice, any information that you want someone to have about your company. You may also want to put on there your address and phone number. And at the end of that, just save. So if you want to go back in and just change one template, you can do that. Just remember to hit save at the bottom, because that will save any changes that have been made on any of these 5 templates. Next we have SMS notification. Exactly the same thing for SMS notification, just remembering that it's only 160 characters per SMS. So once you go over that, you will be charged for 2 SMSs each time an SMS is sent out, and that will depend the cost with how you've signed up with Twilio. And once again, we just have the booking notification SMS. So as soon as the booking's made, this SMS will go out, and also once again a reminder SMS that will go out the day before the appointment. You can put the cancellation link in here as well. And one other thing to note, sorry for the emails, is there is a Google Calendar link here that you may want to add into the email so that your customers can transfer the appointment onto their Google Calendars. And the last section here that we need to discuss is this general. So what the general is this is going to be the message that will display on your booking system once the client has made a booking. So we have set up once again a default for you, which basically just says the service and the time, and then just a little message. We do have actually on here that cancellations can't be made up to 24 hours, but you can put anything on here that you like. So this message will come up directly after the person has confirmed they want to book, but before they pay. So once again, this is a default. This will stay on here until you go in and change these settings here. So any information that you would like to appear on the screen after someone books a service with you, then this is the place to do it. Now remember, this will be for every service, so it will be the same message no matter what someone books. And once again, when you finish that, save. So where do all of these go? Well, this one will just automatically update the screen as soon as you save it. Anyone that makes a booking will then receive that message. But for the email templates and the SMS templates, you will need to come back into your services and set them. Just open up our service. And here we have the email, so notification, reminder, and invoice. Currently they're set at default. So right now they would get the default emails that we have created. And once again, you can see these in the user manual. But once you change them under booking settings, it will be your default email. And also here are the other templates that you can actually assign per service. So as I said, if you want to create an email that is just for that service, especially if it has different terms and conditions, then I would recommend that you do that as well. And we do have another tutorial on that. And just for the SMS, this is where the SMS templates would go. So default, same thing. If you haven't changed it, it will be ours. And if you have changed it, it will be yours. And also you can do the individuals templates per service. I hope that has been some help for you. I'm not too confusing. Once again, if you have any questions, please email us on bookingsystem@thelashandbrowdirectory.com.au, or also if you log into the membership site, we do have a help desk on there, so a support ticket system. So if you're in there, if you select support ticket, you can actually send us a message through the system, which is fantastic. Thank you.